industry? And how do you use your platform to inspire and empower young girls? So anyone from the girls who want to start answering the question? I think yung struggle talaga of being a woman in K-pop is being pitted against other women, I guess, being compared to other groups. Kasi why? Kasi first of all, that's not what about womanhood is about. And most importantly, that's not what K-pop Rise also is about. So for us kasi, for us groups, we are all about, the success of everyone. Kasi naniniwala kami na yung success ng isang group is the success of the whole community, which is also our success. So it's not really necessary, but it happens. And even especially kami sa Kaya, we're very open to our fans, our Zaya, na we tell them na hey, that's not really respectful. So ganun po yung relationship namin with our Zaya. And we're very thankful that everyone is open to that kind of idol fan relationship. Actually, no, family na po talaga kasi yung namin. Parang yun yung pinaka-challenge for us. And so, for us talaga, it's not, let's just keep that aside. Let's just all be respectful. Let's, celebrate one another. Kasi lahat naman ng groups, lahat naman ng idols nyo, they will get their own time. So we just
To add to that po, actually, for the struggle naman po, simulan ko with myself. And I think it will also apply to all the women po na makaka-related is the physical looks of a woman. And lalo po kasi syempre, P-pop, it's inspired po sa K-pop. So, K-pop po, nagkaroon kasi ng stereotype na parang once kasama ka sa isang K-pop group, kasi you're supposed to be skinny or super flexible talaga na sometimes it doesn't look healthy. And kami po sa Kalista, we don't want na parang sumunod dun sa norm. Kasi as long as I think mas importante po is yung mas maging healthy ka. It's not about how you look outside. It's about how you show yourself to others, how confident you are with your own body, and paano mo dalhin yung sarili mo. Lalo kami po, when we're performing, we're very mindful of how we look, yung kapag po na susuot kami ng mga damit, how we present ourselves to the other people. And I think po, once we started that po, kami sa amin, sa P-pop idol, mas marami po may inspire ng mga kababaihan din na, na nagsistruggle din po sa insecurities nila when it comes to their body. So, sana, i-keep in mind lang po natin na hindi natin kailangan lagi sumunod sa kung ano yung nakasanayan natin. It's, mas isipin natin sa sarili natin kung paano tayo mas magiging confident, kung paano natin mas dadalhin pa yung sarili natin in the future.
I just wanna say, I look up to how Kaya speaks to their fans, very open. And at the same way, we try to be open to our fans as well. But I also agree with Anne sa pagiging yung mga skinny and all that. You have to be very makinis, yung mga ganun-ganun. I mean, what if you really have that flaws ever since birth, diba? So, parang, I hope people choose to accept na parang also us, the people, I mean, what you expect us to be, parang ganun. Also us, we have a lot of flaws. We have a lot of down insides and everything. But then, I just wanna add din po, it's more of how yung anxiety kung paano ka makikita ng mga tao. Yun po yung very, I mean, I don't think it closes lang naman with us women, but also to everyone. It can apply to everyone. But mas malaki lang yun kasi we have a lot of insecurities, as women. So parang mas malaki yung range ng women na insecure about themselves and then how people see them like that. So I guess it's insecurity, the struggles. Also, we're very anxious that, sometimes, personally, gusto ko po, parang ayoko po makita nila yung bad side ko. Or whatever I try to change within myself. Ganun. So, yun po.
Ako naman po, ano din po sa, yes, agree po ako sa kanilang kwento. Pero ako personally, hindi lang po to as P-pop idol. Feeling ko naman kung makaka-relate din po yung lahat. Yung parang, ang isa ko struggle ko yung dinitintahan ka ng isang tao para gawin mo. Kahit hindi ka masaya sa gusto nilang gawin mo. And gusto ko po, as a P-pop idol, gusto ko gawin ko kung ano yung masaya, kung ano yung bukas na nila ko kwento. And natanggap po nila kung ano talaga ako. And kung ano po yung gagawin namin sa group. And same po na sa physical, na hindi naman po kailangan siguro na public figure na kailangan good lang yung makita mo doon sa artist na yun. So, hindi mo na kailangan din gumawa ng masama. Pero ayun lang po, isa na sa struggle ko na sa girl na kapag babae ka, kailangan hindi mo na kaya gawin kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga lalaki. Not to be po I mean, ayun lang po, kaya din namin gawin. Yung sabi nga po namin, girl power. So yun lang po.